Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We were looking about strings in Python, and the previous video was just the introduction of what is a string and how we can actually declare a string in Python. And now we are going to have a look on certain inbuilt functions that are available for strings. So let us start. So the first function that we are going to see over here will be the length function, right? And this is nothing but this is a very simple function which is used to find the length of a given string, right? We can see this function with the help of an example. See, my str is a string variable, right? I have just declared one variable, and with the double quotes I have just entered hello world, right? And then I have taken another variable and I have just called the function length, right? And I have just passed my string into it, right? I can also pass directly hello world to it also. And here I have passed my str, right? And this function is going to return the length of this particular string. That means the count of the number of characters over here, right? So n will be storing the total length, and just we have print this particular length over here. Let us go to the IDLE and see how this length function is working. So here I have taken my str is equal to hello world with mark and this. Now this is my string. Now I have taken n a variable and I have called len over here and called my str, right? So I have passed this particular string into len function, and then I will be just printing the length is, right? Let an equal to sign and n, right? So now let me just run it, and you can see that the length is 12, right? So if I will be now just counting the numbers, uh, so that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 spaces counted, 6 7 8 9 10 11, and this is the 12, right? So if I increase 2 spaces over here, right, so it should be 14 now. So if I run it, and the length is now 14, right? So you can say that space is also counted and all the special symbols are also counted. So len is a simple function that is returning the length of your string, right? So the second inbuilt function that we are going to study is the min function. And the working of min function states that it will be going to return the smallest character from your string, right? So here you can see that in my str I have taken a string named hello, right? And I have just passed it to the min function, and it should return the minimum character into n, and I'm just printing the character over there. Now the question is how it is going to find out that which of the character of your string is the minimum one, right? So here it will be going to check the ASCII value, and according to the ASCII value it will be going to find out the minimum value, right? Means the minimum character over there. So let us go to the IDLE and see how it is working. Right, so this is the code with my str as hello, and I'm just printing the value of n over here. Let us see. So here the smallest character is h. Now why it is? Because h is having the smallest ASCII value among all the letters, that is H E L L O. So h is having the smallest value, so this is now printing the smallest value over here. Let me just change the text, and for A, B, C, D, E. Now this is in sequence, and now we can say that the smallest value is A for of course, right? So you know that this is will be in increasing order, so A will be having the smallest value. And you can also check it as now I'm removing A and the answer now should be B out of this. So let us see, yes, the B is actually printed over here. So this is checking the smallest character, right? So the next inbuilt function over here is max, and it works exactly the opposite of your min function. So it will be going to return the largest character from your string, again based on the ASCII value. So my str is equals to hello, n may return the value which is coming from max x my str, and then I'm just printing the value. So the pattern is just the same, and let us see how it is going to return the max value. So this is the code that returns the maximum value, and let us see what is the maximum value that we are getting over here. And the maximum largest character that we are getting is O, based upon the ASCII value, of course. Now let me just change this and write A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E again, right? And this time the answer should be E. Yes, the largest value as per the order of their ASCII value. So I hope that you understood all the inbuilt functions that we have seen. These are the basic function, just the calculating the length or the count of the number of character and finding out the minimum and the largest character of your string. I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching the video.